Well, a very good morning to all the participants present here. We from MIT welcome you in the Industry Connect Part 19. Today we have an eminent speaker, Swati Kailash ma'am, a subject matter expert from EduNet Foundation, who will be guiding us in the next 1 hour on professional skills and a walkthrough IBM Skills Build portal. Swati ma'am, we welcome you
Yes,
in the webinar.
thank you so much, Ayush sir. And I would like to, first of all, good morning, everyone. And I would like to welcome all of you to today's session. So today we will be learning about uh, professional skills. Okay. So students, I want this to be an interactive session. I want all of you to be, conversating with us. Okay. So we want this to be more of an interactive session. And if you have any doubts, if you have any, if you want to ask any questions, you can always raise your hand and I will answer you and I will resolve your query. Okay. So I want another small thing that I want all of the students. Right now we see that there are 61 participants, but I want all of you to inform your friends to join this session quickly so that they don't miss out on this session. Okay. So good morning, everyone. I hope all of you are doing great. So, without further ado, let's quickly start the session. So, today's session, like I mentioned, will be about professional skills, and we will also walk through Skills Build portal. जैसे आप जानते हो कि आप लोगों ने बहुत लोगों ने स्किल्स बिल्ड पे कोर्सेज लेने शुरू कर दिए हैं, तो आज हम डिटेल में जानेंगे कि आप क्या क्या कोर्सेज कैसे कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. So I will be talking in English and a little bit of Hindi because my Hindi is really bad. My Hindi is not that great. So मैं थोड़ी सी कोशिश करूंगी कि मैं इंग्लिश और हिंदी में बात कर सकूं. ठीक है. So let's quickly start the session. I will share my screen. Please raise your hands if you are able to see my screen. Okay, great. So students, today's session, like I mentioned, is about professional skills, है ना? तो प्रोफेशनल स्किल्स, व्हेन आई से प्रोफेशनल स्किल्स, पहले आपके दिमाग में क्या आता है? व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट कम्स टू योर माइंड व्हेन आई से प्रोफेशनल स्किल्स? सो यू कैन डेफिनेटली मेंशन इट इन द चैट आल्सो. What is the first thing that comes to your mind when I say professional skills?
Students, you can unmute your mic and answer the
Yes.
question. Permission has been granted to all the people present here. And they're writing in the chat box. Good communication.
Okay. Good
Jatin, mute your mic.
communication.
Jatin, Munawar Ilahi, Navi Hussain, mute your mic.
Yes, I think students, you can start typing it in the chat so that I can read it rather than you, unmuting yourself. So please communicate with us through the chat, and definitely we will read all your chat. So please communicate us through the chat. Okay. Yes. So Shubhankar has mentioned that it is good communication. Well, Shubhankar, yes, communication is a part of professional skill, but there is more when I say professional skills. Okay? So I'll just ask you a small question, students. So can any of you mention ki what is that? What is that? What are those top skills that will get you a job when you graduate? See, now you're all students. You are in first year, second year, third year, fourth year. Okay, you're in the you're graduating, right? So after graduation, you probably want to get into a job. So what is that thing that Okay, Nisha, professional skills are the skills we master for our as well as for the company's benefit. Technical skills and soft skills. Yes, Shubham. Okay, technical skills and soft skills. Technical skills is something that you are learning at your with your subjects right now, right? You are strengthening your technical knowledge. Okay, if I ask what is a particular thing, so you will be able to tell it to me. Communication skills, team and time management, technical skills, communication, leadership, teamwork. Yes, absolutely correct. But do you see, have you observed the students that there is no particular book, or there's no particular subject like this, like leadership, the teamwork, communication, that we write exam for it, है ना? So what is that we are supposed to develop skills? ठीक है, टेक्निकल स्किल्स वी लर्न थियोरेटिकली एंड वी प्रैक्टिस इट. तो हमें टेक्निकल स्किल्स में हम कॉन्फिडेंट होते हैं, हम स्ट्रांग होते हैं. बट ये सॉफ्ट स्किल्स क्या चीज है? व्हाट इज दिस सॉफ्ट स्किल्स? तो इसे हमें डेवलप करना है. ये कोई बुक में या फिर इट्स नॉट रिटन एनीवेयर कि दिस इज सॉफ्ट स्किल्स, दिस इज अ टेक्नोलॉजी और दिस इज एन एप्लीकेशन. ऐसा कहीं पे भी लिखा नहीं है. बट यू आर developing these skills. Okay, yes, Jagjit, oral, effective oral or written ways you communicate, you express yourself in the workplace. Absolutely correct. So now you're getting this point. Okay, so let us look at, most of these people, like those who are recruiting, है ना? So क्या आपके पास वो की स्किल्स है जो ग्रेजुएट्स को, एम्प्लॉयज को ग्रेजुएट से चाहिए, दे आर लुकिंग फॉर इन एवरी ग्रेजुएट? सो वी विल just go through some of the most top skills that will help you, get hired. Okay, so we will definitely understand what are these general competencies and behaviors that are essential for successful workplace culture. ठीक है? Ready? Yes, no? Okay. So the first one is communication, students. So जब मैं communication बोलती हूँ, so this covers your verbal, your written communication and listening. ठीक है? Communication, when we say, they, most of them, they think that it's only verbal and written, but communication is also listening, and effective communication happens when the other person is listening to you, है ना? So you are supposed to listen to that person also. Got it? Yes, no? Give me a thumbs up if you have understood it, students. Okay. So communication, I would say, that is the skill that sustains information flow. Okay. So if you look at the first point, communication is not just what you say, it's also how you present yourself, है ना? जब आप एक email लिखते हो, email skill is one of the most sought after skill in today's world, students. Everything needs to be documented, और सब चाहते हैं कि आप email भेजो, and writing an email is a skill. Okay, so email writing skills are something that you need to pay attention to. Okay, so today we will understand that communication is the effective exchange of information, okay, in any business. जब एक अच्छा communication है तो it is a good communication is a two way, वो दोनों तरफ से होना चाहिए. Okay, so you can show that you can listen as well as speak out. तो आप अपने communication को कैसे improve कर सकते हैं? So you need to be able to express yourself concisely to to impress anybody. So basically, if you are impressing your recruiters, if you are impressing your interviewers, okay, you also need to be a good listener, and you should be good at asking questions. अगर कुछ questions है, कुछ doubts है, then you must be good at asking it. Sentence formation, जब आप एक question को form करके उन्हें पूछते हो, उन्हें भी समझ में आना चाहिए और आपको भी तसल्ली होना चाहिए कि हाँ, मैंने सही पूछा है. Okay, so communication is more of a package than an individual skill. So communication is just not what you say, it's also how you present yourself. You must be able to phrase the right question. So that is an important skill. So not saying too much is also a part of good communication. जब हम ज़्यादा नहीं बोलते तो हम communicate कर रहे हैं. You know, talking too much is not good communication. Talking, not talking too much, not saying too much, but listening is also a part of good good communication. And understanding your audience and tailoring what you need to say is essential, because for your job hunters success. ठीक है, अगर आप जॉब ढूंढ रहे हो, सो यू मस्ट बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि अच्छा, व्हाट डज माय इंटरव्यूअर नीड, कि उन्हें क्या चाहिए. नॉट जस्ट इंटरव्यू पर्पस स्टूडेंट्स, कहीं पे भी जब आप अपने ऑडियंस को समझ सकते हो और जो उनकी मांग है उसे अगर आप पूरी कर सकते हो, इफ यू आर एबल टू टेलर इट, देन यू बिकम अ सक्सेसफुल पर्सन. ओके, क्लियर? यस. And you can develop your communication skills by, you know, taking up courses. ओके, एंड टॉकिंग टू योर फ्रेंड्स. अगर आप जब भी आप एक भाषा में बात करना चाहते हो, इफ देर इज एनी लैंग्वेज दैट यू वांट टू इम्प्रूव, राइट, यू कैन टॉक टू योर फ्रेंड्स, टॉक टू योर टीचर्स इन दैट पर्टिकुलर लैंग्वेज. जब आप इंटेंसिवली एक भाषा की यूज कर रहे हो, इस्तेमाल कर रहे हो, देन you will be able to communicate better. See, communication is just a simple thing, students. जो मेरे दिमाग में है, अगर मैं किसी और को वो समझा सकती हूँ, then I am a good communicator. And if the person is telling something to me, if I'm able to understand it, then I'm a good communicator. If I'm able to listen as well as speak. Okay, so you must be able to understand this thin line of difference. You must be able to speak and you must be able to listen. जब भी आप लिखते हो, the other person who's reading it must be able to understand what is there, what is the crux, what is the content that you are trying to convey. And at the same time, you know, see, students, you're quite big enough to tell कि यहाँ पे आपको grammarly use करना है, you have to be grammatically correct and all that. But these are just these fine tuning things that you need to pay attention to. Just pay attention to the fine tuning. So how do I grammatically write this sentence? How do I frame this sentence? So how do you improve this skill is by using it more. जब भी हम कोई भी skill use नहीं करते हैं, then it is going to it is going to diminish. ठीक है, it is not going to be there. So I will just give you a small example, students. So I used to use a lot of you know excel. एक्सेल पहले हम मैं बहुत यूज़ करती थी. तो मुझे एक्सेल में जो फॉर्मूलाज है, एक्सेल में जो शॉर्टकट्स है, मुझे पता था. बट नाउ आई एम नॉट यूजिंग एक्सेल. आई हैव probably lost the touch. तो क्या होता है, आई एम फाइंडिंग इट डिफिकल्ट टू अप्लाई फॉर्मूलाज, और आई एम फाइंडिंग इट डिफिकल्ट टू यूज द शॉर्टकट्स. So that is one thing. So communication, whenever I say communicate, that means you're supposed to use it more. Okay, and whenever you feel अरे यार इसको ना बस, see, the first thing that I would say is try communicating with your friends in a formal language. See, अभी तो SMS का ज़माना है, WhatsApp का ज़माना है, Instagram, Facebook, and everywhere we are using short forms, we are using SMS slangs. Okay, so avoid using that, because now if you start avoiding that SMS language, right, probably tomorrow when you're writing an email, you will understand, acha, I am not supposed to use this. You are before, so before ko before, so stop using that language, because that is not something that is professional. तो अगर आप अभी से उसकी आदत डालना डालना शुरू करोगे, then you will definitely find it well. अब definitely, you can communicate better. And in terms of speaking also, अगर आपको लगता है कि आप इंग्लिश में थोड़े वीक हो, तो start reading a lot of books, start talking to people, and be okay if somebody corrected you. Okay, I see there is something in the chat. Okay, right. So We will move ahead, students. Moving on to our next slide. Yes. So the next thing is teamwork. Okay. So what is teamwork, students? See, teamwork is very simple. You need to prove that you are a team player. You also have the ability to manage and delegate to others and take on responsibility. It's about positive work environment. जहाँ पे भी आप हो वहाँ पे आप एक पॉजिटिव वर्क रिलेशनशिप बिल्ड करना चाहते हो एंड यू वांट टू हेल्प एवरीवन अचीव योर गोल्स. बस मैंने अपना खुद का गोल अचीव कर लिया और मैं वहां से चल बसी, नो दैट इज नॉट टीम वर्क, है ना. सो टीम वर्क इज व्हेन यू आर हेल्पिंग एवरीवन टू अचीव गोल्स and whatever is the business objective. Okay, so you must be able to manage and delegate. So we will understand what exactly is teamwork. Okay, teamwork is one of the most fundamental skill that employers look for. Okay, so what is exactly this teamwork? So it is collaborating, emphasize on how your personal contribution will allow your team reach its full potential. ठीक है. So teamwork is all about being able to operate smoothly. Now, usually अगर जब भी हम college में, I remember when I was in college, we were given assignments, we were given projects, we were given some events. तो जब हम event करते थे in a team, in a group, when we used to work, okay, the lot of people had difference of opinions. So how do we handle all these difference of opinion? See, the first thing is you must be able to encourage everybody, inspire other people in your team to perform better. ठीक है. सी, स्टूडेंट्स, इट्स ओके, हमारे 5 उंगलियां एक नहीं है तो हम कैसे एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि एक टीम में सारे एक ही तरह से होंगे, राइट. सो समटाइम्स यू मस्ट बी able to ignore your ego. अरे मैं क्यों उस, we all have that ego, we have our inner ego. So we must have the ability to compromise and ignore our ego. It's like if the team is going to benefited out of this solution, then I think we should go with this than telling that my solution is the best, है ना. So you must be able to compromise and ignore your own ego. The emotional intelligence to better understand team members behavior, actions and responses. Okay, why that person is behaving in such a way, why that person took this decision, उनका response ऐसा क्यों आया. So this emotional intelligence, this is one of the top skill, the emotional intelligence. So think from other person's perspective, to think that it's okay, okay, to put human first than the work. Okay, so this is something that we need to learn. Okay, so teamwork is also about communicating, influencing people, and negotiating. Acha tu mujhe ye karta hai, then I will do this to you. You help me with this, I will help you with this. So this kind of a teamwork, or this kind of a compromise, this kind of an encouragement is something that we need to develop. Okay, and next comes our problem solving. Okay. So you need to display your ability to take a logical and an analytical approach. ठीक है, अगर कोई भी problem है, how are you going to resolve that issue? Okay, so you are going to take logical and analytical approach to solve the problems. So this is also to show that you can approach problems from a different angle. अगर plan A या solution A काम नहीं करता, तो what can be the solution B? How differently do you think of the problem? Okay, so problem solving skill is definitely an very interesting, or how you approach problems. So this is something that a lot of people are lacking, students. they see problem only from one point of view. एक ही नजरिए से problem को देखते हैं, तो इसलिए solutions नहीं मिलता. तो problem solving is all about using logic as well as imagination. कैसे कर सकते हैं हम इसे? Okay, to make sense of a situation. अच्छा, maybe something might come up. So what will be an intelligent solution? Okay, so in fact, they say the best problem solvers actively anticipate potential future problems. You know, you all know Einstein, right? So Einstein said that if there was 1 hour to save the world, I would spend 55 minutes on understanding the problem, because once you understand the problem completely, your problem solving abilities will definitely improve. Okay, understanding the problem, pay more focus on the problem, and then finding the solution will be easy. Without understanding the problem, if you start worrying about the solution, then that is not the point. Understand the problem thoroughly. Okay, find what are the different analytical skills that you need. Okay, so you need to improve on your analytical skills. You need to have an innovative and a creative thinking. तो ये innovative और creative thinking क्या है? तो एक problem को हम अलग अलग तरीके से जब हम देखते हैं, then we are able to creatively think. A lateral mindset, students, it's very very important to have a lateral mindset. Okay, and adaptability and flexibility. So what is adaptability and flexibility, students? Lateral mindset, adaptability, flexibility, क्या है ये? What is all of this? Any idea? Yes, no, maybe. Okay, I'm not able to see this.
Participants, please write in the chat box. What is adaptability? Ma'am, unable to adapt to the current situation.
Sir, I'm not able to see the menu. I think I have hidden it, but I'm not able to see it.
Ma'am, just click on the chat box.
1 second, sir. Okay. I'm not able to see the chat box actually.
I'm in the lower portion of, actually you click on the screen. Actually you're sharing the screen now, ma'am.
हाँ जी sir.
Just drag the hanging window will come on the upward portion.
Okay. I'm extremely sorry about this, students. My system is a little slow. So maybe that is the reason that it is taking a lot of time.
When the
Okay.
internet is rectified, I'm just telling you.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am.
Okay. So,
one person wrote about ability of a person to change his actions.
right.
Another one wrote adapt current situations.
Right.
Somebody else wrote learn something.
Yes.
And somebody wrote flexible according to situation.
Okay.
Next is the soft skill. That means the ability to adapt rapidly, learn new skills and behaviors.
Right. So, students, I just want to give you a small example. Okay. So, let's go 2 years back. Okay. So, 2019, we were unaware that, COVID could be this serious issue. right? We were all attending our classes offline. हम कॉलेज जाते थे और हम classes attend करते थे, है ना? So now what exactly does this adaptability and flexibility, how do you put this in practice? So now let's assume that I'm adapting to this new change. This is an unexpected change of circumstances. Okay. So this is something that I never thought about, but I'm adapting to it. I am very new to this technology. I do not know how I am going to use this particular skill, or virtual training. कैसे करते हैं virtual training? I do not know, but I am adapting. I am getting flexible. I'm modifying myself, right? So modifying your course of action. शायद कल बहुत ही क्लासेस अटेंड करने पड़े आपको अनएक्सपेक्टेड, दे जस्ट सेड दैट नो यू हैव टू अटेंड इट फॉर सच अ लॉन्ग टाइम, और देयर इज चेंज, सडन चेंज कि आपको अभी ऑफलाइन नहीं ऑनलाइन पे आना पड़ेगा. You might have internet issues, you might have so many other things, but you're adapting yourself because this is something that everybody wants it. देर आर चेंजेस, देर आर अनफोर्सीन चेंजेस. नेचर में चेंजेस होते हैं, कभी जोरदार बारिश आती है, समटाइम्स इट्स वेरी सनी, राइट? इट्स अनएक्सपेक्टेड, सो वी अडेप्ट टू दैट चेंज, right? So this is something that you need to gain, or this is some skill that you need to develop, students. Okay. Yes. And initiative, the last one is initiative. So how do you take up a course, how do you take up a course of action, right? You take it up कि मैं करूँगा, first I will do it. अगर कोई नहीं कर रहा है टीम में, then you take it up. Okay, I will take up this problem, I will try to solve it. अगर आपसे नहीं होता है, then you can delegate it to somebody who has the time and resource for it. Okay. Yes. We'll move ahead. Okay. So the next is leadership. See, you may not be a manager straight away, students, but let us all know that you need to show that potential. You need to motivate your team and other colleagues that will, make you feel, acha, tomorrow when somebody tells you, hey, this person, he has all the leadership qualities. This girl, she is fit to be a great leader. So this kind of a potential, when you start building it from the beginning itself, right? See, I'm not telling ki aapko directly as soon as you graduate you will become a manager and then you need this leadership skill. No, when you have this potential, right, definitely you will go faster. जब आप एक 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 सीढ़ी चढ़ रहे हो, सक्सेस के तरफ बढ़ रहे हो, तो जब आप ये सारे स्किल्स अपने लाइफ में इंक्लूड करोगे, डेवलप करोगे, देन the process will become easier and it will be faster. Okay. So if let us know more about leadership skills, students. So the first thing, right, it is, you're proving that you are more than an entry level person. I'm not a person who's just in an entry level. You have a vision. अगले 5 साल में मुझे कहाँ पे रहना है, where do I stand in the next 5 years? You have a plan, you have an ambition, right? So every person in life should have leadership potential. Okay, whenever we talk about leadership potential, right, it is referring to how how you put your qualities. How do you make sure that whatever is the objective, अगर आपके कॉलेज में कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट है, तो आप कैसे उस प्रोजेक्ट को अचीव करोगे? हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू कंप्लीट इट? दैट इज समथिंग दैट यू नीड टू थिंक अबाउट. हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू मैनेज योर ओन सेल्फ? खुद को कैसे संभालते हो? हाउ आर यू मैनेजिंग योर टाइम? हाउ आर यू मैनेजिंग योर स्टडीज, योर एम्बिशन? What is that you're deciding? Okay, so ambition for yourself, for the team, and for your employer. Decisiveness. Okay, and being comfortable with managing ambiguity. So what do you understand by managing ambiguity, students? It is an essential skill for your career progression. ठीक है. So you can manage ambiguity when you're able to take decision on the basic of the information that you have. ठीक है. अगर कोई भी अनसर्टेनिटी आए तो आप उसे कैसे हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू डील विथ इट, हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू कोप अप विथ इट, हाउ यू कैन अडेप्ट टू अ चेंज. ओके. एंड देन problem solving, which we have already spoken about, and then delegation, right? अगर मुझसे कोई भी चीज नहीं हो पाती है तो मुझे उसे delegate करना है. It should not be like you're sitting there. If you find that something is bothering you, if you find that something is not happening, then you can definitely delegate it. Ask your friends for help. Ask your teachers. They are the best mentors. तो आप उन्हें delegate कर सकते हो. सर मुझसे ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं हो पा रहा, सर मुझसे ये प्रॉब्लम आई एम नॉट एबल टू फाइंड अ सॉल्यूशन फॉर इट, सो कैन यू प्लीज हेल्प मी. सी स्टूडेंट्स डेलीगेशन इज अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. यूजुअली क्या होता है, यू नो, व्हेन यू हैव इनिशियली जॉइंड अ जॉब और व्हेन यू आर इनिशियली इन द कॉलेज, यू गेट दैट, यू नो, फियर कि अगर मैं कुछ पूछूं तो डोंट यू थिंक दे विल थिंक आई एम स्टूपिड. नो, दैट इज नॉट द थिंग. एवरीबडी इज अ लर्नर हियर, है ना. आप कॉलेज क्यों आते हो? ताकि आप सीखो. तो आप जब भी आपके बस के बाहर है, इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू फाइंड सॉल्यूशन फॉर इट, इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू यू नो आस्क ऑलवेज. अगर आपके टीचर ने बोला है कि यू हैव टू फिनिश दिस बाय, यू नो, देयर इज अ प्रोजेक्ट एंड दिस इज द डेडलाइन, एंड अगर आपसे हो नहीं पा रहा तो ऑलवेज डेडिकेटेड टेल इट कि सर or ma'am, this is not happening, can you please give me some more time, I will promise I will finish by this. Okay. Organizing and time management, both for yourself and the people in your team, or the uh, team that you are leading, your group. Okay. And next comes time management, students. So time management is a very 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 important skill, है ना. आज के टाइम में सभी को सिर्फ 24 आवर्स मिलते हैं, बट हाउ इज दैट सम पीपल आर एबल टू मैनेज ऑल देयर टाइम, दे आर एबल टू डू एवरीथिंग एंड स्टिल दे हैव सम टाइम फॉर देमसेल्व्स. हाउ इज दैट दे आर डूइंग इट? Okay. So there is a technique of doing it. Okay. How do we completely utilize our time? There's a technique. Okay. And the best technique is, you know, make a list of all your tasks, be intentional, have a to do list. हम सब जानते हैं कि अच्छा टू डू लिस्ट है, इसको हम एक दिन करते हैं या 2 दिन करते हैं, बट उसे रेगुलरली फॉलो करना इज द ग्राउंड ब्रेकिंग टेक्निक. ओके. दिस इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड द मोस्ट पावरफुल वे ऑफ बिकमिंग प्रोडक्टिव. ठीक है. सो जो भी अर्जेंट जॉब है, जो भी क्विकर जॉब है, मेरी मम्मी ने कहा कि जाके दूध लेके आओ, इट्स अ क्विक जॉब बिकॉज माई मॉम डज नॉट वांट इट टू बी डिलेड. सो आई विल जस्ट सेट ओके 5 मिनट्स या 10 मिनट लगेंगे मुझे, सो जस्ट राइट इट डाउन. ओके, 10 minutes I will go quickly and come off. So when you write a to do list, right, I have so many things in my bucket today. So मुझे आज 10:30 to 12 o'clock I have a session. So whatever other things I have in my mind, I can plan it later. Okay. So the next thing is be prioritized. Rank your task. तो जब भी आप टू डू लिस्ट बनाते हो, अपने टास्क को वहां पे रैंक करो. यू कैन फॉलो द एबीसी मेथड डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द प्रायोरिटी. इसमें सबसे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट वाली टास्क कौन सी है? राइट एन ए अगेंस्ट इट. लेस इंपॉर्टेंस बी, even less importance C. So you can definitely manage your time with this to do list. जितनी भी छोटी हो आपकी task, whatever it can be, something as small or something very big, write down all the task and rank it. अच्छा, इसको 10 मिनट लगेंगे, इसको 15 मिनट लगेंगे, या इसको half an hour लगेगा, 1 hour लगेगा. Take 2 minutes break in between, and this way you will be able to, you know, focus on your task. You will be able to finish all your task within lesser time. The priority, you know, the usefulness of priority is always understated, students. हम हमें पता नहीं चलता कि हमें prioritizing is a very important thing, कि कौन सा पहले करना चाहिए, कौन सा बाद में करना चाहिए. Okay. This is something that you will know because you are the one who are deciding कि ये वाले काम मुझे करने हैं, इसका this is the most important task, this is the least important task. Okay. Be focused. चाहे मेरे जितने भी अच्छे इंटेंशंस हो, okay, I will sit, I will be like, no, I'm not getting distracted. But we all get distracted. We get, the notification, or we get somebody's WhatsApp messages, or we get somebody's call. Acha chalo gappe marte hain, chalo. It is a very human problem. Okay, we'll do this tomorrow. Okay, I will do this tomorrow. But actually sitting down and getting things done is much easier. Agar if it takes you, about 15 minutes to completely focus without interruption, you see, you can do a lot of things in 15 minutes. So this is what I tell to all my students: stay focused. There is a 15-minute rule I follow. Agar wo 15 minute ke andar ho sakta hai, then you can effectively do it without any distraction. So what I do, I keep my doors closed. Doors closed, yani it's not the literally closing the door and locking yourself in a room, but keep your distractions away. Keep your phone on silent. It's okay. The world is not going to end अगर आपने अपने friend का phone नहीं उठाया. The world is not going to end if you're not, posting something on your Instagram or your Facebook. है ना? So you can definitely manage those interactions. And coming to the next one, be structured. Time block your work. ठीक है? So time blocking is one of the most productive way of doing. ठीक है? So अगर आपका एक structured टाइम टेबल है, ठीक है, so how effectively are you managing it? Time block it. Okay, this particular task is going to take half an hour or 1 hour. Okay, so this space, what is there, this will set a healthy pressure. अच्छा, मुझे इसको 1 घंटे में कंप्लीट करना है, so I will complete it. Imagine when it becomes very pressing problem. Okay, then आप बहुत stress में पड़ जाओगे and you will start feeling that time is not enough. Set 1 hour. Okay, I am going to finish my homework, or I'm going to finish this assignment within 1 hour. Give yourself that 1 hour. अरे यार, नहीं नहीं नहीं, I have to finish, I have to finish. When you're constantly focusing on that, you will definitely manage it. Okay, 1 hour के बाद you can, just stand up, stretch yourself, and then sit. You can do other things. Whenever you tick your task, है ना, जब भी आप टिक करते हो, अच्छा ये वाला टास्क हो गया, ये वाला टास्क हो गया, ट्रस्ट मी स्टूडेंट्स, दैट इज द मोस्ट अकम्प्लिशिंग थिंग. इतनी सेटिस्फैक्शन मिलती है, इतनी सेटिस्फैक्शन मिलती है, ट्रस्ट मी, आई लव डूइंग इट. अच्छा ये हो गया, डन डन डन. You feel that feel good hormones releasing everywhere. अच्छा ये हो गया, this is a big task, this is done, thank god this is done. है ना? And then probably later you reward yourself. Give yourself, अच्छा मैंने इतने अच्छा किया, today I did a very good job, so I'm going to manage, I'm going to reward myself. So watch a movie, listen to songs. जब आप काम करते करते, if you have the habit of listening to songs, probably that will reduce your stress. Then do it. Okay, reward yourself, give yourself a treat. Watch a movie, or you want to go talk to your friend, go talk to your friend. If you want to eat something, go eat something, because you have accomplished what you wanted to do in that particular time. Okay, buy yourself a new dress. अगर आपको कुछ gadget चाहिए था, you wanted to buy a new mobile, keep task, keep your thing. So within this month or within this period, I need to learn this, I need to finish this, I need to do this. And that is how, your mind, your alter mind will, your subconscious mind will be somewhere telling ki, Swati, no, you have to do this, only then you will be able to buy this, है ना? So this hustle, what is there, if you keep this continuing, right, trust me, you will reach, आप वो height जाओगे, you will reach to that potential. And then be aware, track your time, कहाँ पे आपका टाइम बर्बाद हो रहा है. अगर आप उसे ट्रैक करना सीखोगे students, then trust me, without, definitely you can achieve success. Time tracking is a very beautiful thing. कहाँ पे आपका टाइम ज्यादा जा रहा है, हाईलाइट. ओके, दिस प्रोसेस इज टेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. इसे मैं कैसे, हाउ डू आई डू दिस इफेक्टिवली सो दैट इट इज नॉट टेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ माई टाइम. ओके, सो you can definitely practice this, students. Okay, yes, no, maybe. All right. So I will take that as a yes. So now I want to know, students, if you have any doubts with regards to the things that, see, right now I have only covered the basics, okay, the very minimal basics of soft skills. So there are a lot more that I will be taking up. Okay, so I will be showing you, I will be walking you through the skills build portal. I'm pretty sure a lot of you have already been onboarded, मतलब आप लोग courses लेना शुरू कर दिए हैं आपने. So we will just quickly, I'll stop sharing my screen and I will show you. Yes. So students, do you have any questions? Okay, great. So students, now I will be showing you the how to walk through skills build portal. Okay. So I'm pretty sure all of you are having access to skills build portal. Please raise your hands if you have access to the skills build portal. All of you have the access, students? All right. So now I'm going to just type. Okay. So logging in is really simple. आप अपने you can do it from your phones as well. So this is how the dashboard will look, provided you are doing this on a desktop या फिर laptop में जब आप करते हो. So this is how the dashboard will look like. Okay. So यहाँ पे आप थोड़ा अगर आप scroll करके नीचे जाओगे, once you log in, right? So once you log in with your Google ID, I'll just share this in the chat so that you can log in with me right now. तो आपको यहाँ पे लॉग इन करना है, अपने जीमेल आईडी से लॉग इन करना है और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो this is how the portal dashboard will look like. So if you go scroll down, students, if you just scroll down a little bit, you can see that there are these three segments: take a career assessment, join the skills build community, and explore learning and badges. So अगर आप श्योर नहीं है कि कहाँ से शुरू करना चाहते हो, so you can definitely take up this assessment, which through which you will find your job related strength. So based on your assessment, based on your result, skills build will recommend you courses or learning path. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो there is explore learning and badges. Okay, so when I click on explore learning and badges, I will go to a page जहाँ पे I have the list of the courses. So if I want to take up courses on customer service representative, so there are courses for that as well. So there's communication skill, personality dynamics, problem solving, process controls. अगर मैं थोड़ा सा और नीचे scroll करूँ, so if you want to become a cyber security professional, अगर आपको cyber security में interest है, so you can start taking up courses. So there are cyber security fundamentals as well as, you know, there's a course and a badge. तो आपको curriculum complete करना है and then you will have to take up the exams. So once you are done with that, you will get your certification, students. Okay, and if you scroll down, so there are courses for data analysis as well. Then there is design thinking enterprises. Okay, enterprise design thinking. And then if you scroll down, you can become an enterprise computing professional, system administrator, project management fundamentals. This is a very, very important course, right, for managing a project. How do you manage a project? And then you can also become a Red Hat certified system administrator. You have to complete all the activities in the curriculum, pass the exam, and then you become a Red Hat certified system administrator. So all of you have the access to these courses, and this is absolutely free of cost, right? So you can learn web development, you can learn programming, right? If you are interested in programming, build your programming skills by taking up these courses. And then the emerging technologies, the industry 4.0 technologies that we call, probably these things are going to be there in every place, right? Artificial intelligence, internet of things, blockchain, cloud computing. You can start with the foundations so that you know what is the basic, kya hai ye basics, and then you can go to the advanced level also. And if you scroll down, there are courses for entrepreneurship, right? How to manage business, how to grow business, how to manage your finances. And then if you scroll down, the professional skills. So today we did speak about communication skills, decision making, professionalism, problem solving. So I will just click on communication skills, students, so that we just get an overview. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो that there are courses which are related to communication skills, which will help you build stronger communication skills. Okay, so what are the communicating with impact, presentation, जब भी आप एक presentation देते हो, so how are you supposed to give it? So you can learn all of these techniques. So आपको बस इस course के ऊपर click करना है. You have to click on go to this activity. Okay, and you will be redirected to another page जहाँ पे आपको सारे modules है. So there are different modules. So what is presenting with purpose? How do you begin? Focus on your objectives, identifying your audience. So once these are all different modules, once you take up all the modules, right, you will have a summary and a quiz. तो आपको उस quiz के ऊपर click करना है. Okay, and once you learn, right, whatever the quiz is based on the questions that are there in the modules. So aapko, you have to take up this quiz. So it's a very fun gamified way of playing. It's a game. Okay, so it's a quiz, it's a game. So you will get 15 minutes, and agar aap 80% se zyada marks lete ho, then you will get a badge, you will get a certificate for that. Okay, so now I will just go back to this, right? So then there are courses for critical thinking, decision making. So you can just take up one course every day, students. So you, if you want, you can start taking one course. 5 मिनट 10 मिनट के कोर्सेस है जो आप एक एक मॉड्यूल अगर आप एक एक दिन कंप्लीट कर सकते हो, राइट, यू आर लर्निंग समथिंग न्यू. एंड देन इफ यू स्क्रॉल डाउन, you have job readiness. So this is probably important for those who are passing out from the college, but those who are there, right, those in the first year and second year, you still have time to go through this. So there are courses which will help you become job ready. इंटरव्यू में कैसे बात करना है आपको, हाउ डज योर रेज्यूमे लुक. यूजुअली व्हेन आई से रेज्यूमे, अ लॉट ऑफ देम दे जस्ट कॉपी पेस्ट इट फ्रॉम देयर फ्रेंड्स. Okay, so this is something that okay, so this is something that you can develop. Okay, so now I want you all to take up one course. Okay, I will just show this to you, students, 1 second. हाँ, तो यहाँ पे there is you can also search for the courses. Now for example, there is interpersonal skill. Yes, so you can take up courses that are related to interpersonal skills. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, you can take up these courses. You have to just type. So इस channel के नीचे जो भी courses है, they will appear here. It's a very simple thing. So what is interpersonal skills? So you can earn a badge by taking up this interpersonal skill का course. तो आपको बस यहाँ पे click करना है. Click on any course that you want to take. So just click on this. Okay, so this is the badge. Yes, so you need to just click on this course, important interpersonal skills that employers value. तो आपको click करना है go to this activity. Okay, once you have read this is a complete list. मतलब यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो this is a complete article जहाँ पे आप इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स के बारे में जान सकते हो, लीडरशिप, मोटिवेशन, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, टीम वर्क. एंड देन once you have completely understood, then once you have read it, once you have understood it, you can see. Now I just spoke about communication. So communication में नॉन वर्बल है, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग है, वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन है, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट मैनेजमेंट है, हाउ डू यू रिजॉल्व कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स. एंड देन there is empathy, very very important part, caring, compassion. And then there is leadership. And then there is listening skills, active listening, negotiation. So once you read this article, you need to come back. तो यहाँ पे it'll ask, did you complete this activity? Click on yes. And since it's a 10-minute activity, it'll automatically take the time and click on submit. ठीक है. So once you have marked it complete, यहाँ actions पे जाके आप अपना completion certificate देख सकते हो. Okay. So this way you can complete a lot of skills, students. You can complete a lot of courses. There are more than 8,000 courses on this particular platform. So you can take up all these courses. Okay. So I will be sharing this link in the chat. I want all of you to take up this course right now. Yes, all the courses are free, Saurabh. So if you have any doubts with regarding to the portal, students, it's a very common portal. जैसे आप अपने Instagram और your whenever you get into a new website, just like how you explore, you can explore Skills Build portal too. Okay, and you can definitely get the benefits out of this. So start taking up courses, explore, and more than that, you need to improvise, right? हर साल, हर every year there are thousands of students who are graduating. But what is that important skill that you can impart in your life is something that you need to know. And once you gain these certificates, students, you can put it on your LinkedIn. So it's important that you have your LinkedIn profile. Okay. So I will just show you how you can put this on your LinkedIn profile as well. So I have some of my students who have taken up courses on Skills Build, and they have put up their uh, uh, badges and certificates on LinkedIn. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो. I will just show you a small example. Yes. So this is one of my student. One second. So you can also put up your badges and your certificates just like this. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो certified achievement. So you too can put up these badges on your social media profiles, especially in LinkedIn, because a lot of recruiters, a lot of recruiters are definitely going to see this, and you will be a highlight for those recruiters. Okay. So this is one way that you can start putting up your badges on the social media profile. So this will be an added advantage. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो there are jobs, right? So you see a lot of recruiters are looking for job alerts, or a lot of recruiters, they first check your LinkedIn profile. So this is something that you can definitely put up, students, okay, on your social media profile for sure. And you can add this in your resume also. This is also a very good thing. So you can add all the certificates that you have received in your resume. Yes. So there is another thing that I also want to mention. So there is a skills build community. It's very similar to your Facebook, very similar like your Facebook. So यहाँ पे, if you have any doubts or if you have any questions, you can ask your doubts or questions to in this particular place. यहाँ पे आप अपना questions post कर सकते हो, and there are coaches and mentors who will get back to you. So you can see against their name there is this label coach. So they will get back to you. They will respond to you. So this is more like a one-on-one training also. A lot of people have been asking questions. So you can definitely put it across through groups. So there are different groups like jobs and employment, general feed, mentoring. So you can be a part of this groups, and you can put your skills build India innovation camp. And then there is a job for jobs in NPO partner group, and there is system administrator group, and then there are a lot of groups which you can be a part of, and you can post your questions, you can discuss your doubts, you can be a part of an entire tech driven community. So this is something that is again exclusive for skills build learners, students. So this is one thing. And I also want to show you that all the courses that you have completed, you will be getting those courses, the courses links. यानी जो भी आपने complete किए हो, whatever courses that you have completed on skills build, you can download it as a form of a report. So you can see in 2021 I have completed 74 hours, which is a total completion of 103 courses. So time management, I think most of them have completed time management skills. So there is AI, what is problem solving. It's a 6 minute course, and then internet 2.5 hours course. So ऐसे ही आप courses लेते you can start taking up courses which are both technical as well as your professional courses, right? So you can take up courses like these: decision making, and then increasing influence, collaborating effectively. These are some of the skills that we had spoken about in today's session. And once you have completed these courses, students, right, you can download a report of that and you can attach it to your resume, right? So this is, so you can see that you have an option to download the completion report. So you can download the completion report and you can attach it to your resume. And even so this is my 2020 years last year's completion. I have completed 13 courses, so which were of 39 hours. How to write an entry level cover letter, ultimate job interview preparation. सो बहुत सारे कोर्सेस है ऐसे. लाइक आई मेंशन देयर आर 8,000 कोर्सेज स्टूडेंट्स, एंड यू कैन टेक अप all of them. अगर आपको किसी भी कोर्स का, if you want to check your you know if you want your certificate, so just click on that course, and under actions you can see the completion certificate. See, it's a small course, but it's the certificate is valid, right? So you can say that you have email etiquette. So this is an important skill that a lot of people will look for. So you can download these reports, and definitely when you have this in your bag, you will feel that you're more confident. Whenever you go out, you feel that you know a lot of things, you have a lot of knowledge, you've gained a lot of knowledge from this particular website. So the aim of IBM is to skill people, and this is absolutely free of cost, students. So keep your skilling, keep upskilling, keep taking up courses. Do not stop, because learning is a never ending process. Okay, today you may be students, tomorrow you may graduate, tomorrow you may become manager, you might become, you're learning every day, students. So never ever stop learning. And whenever you're learning something, make sure that you implement it also. Whatever you're learning, make sure that you implement it in your life, right? Any doubts, students? You can ask. If you have any doubts, any questions, you can please ask me. share links of what, Saurabh? You can take up courses on these links here. Okay, the skills build community. You just have to scroll down and you can see. So you can take your career assessment, you can join the skills build community, and you can explore the learning and badges. So it's all in the same website. So you have to just explore. So these are the top courses or the new additions to skills build: project management, professional skills. So this is, you will earn a badge working in a digital world. And then there's Agile Explorer, cybersecurity fundamentals. So this is a new badge. Earlier this was a different badge. So this is a new badge. So you can take up cybersecurity fundamental course and you can complete. So there is big data foundations, and then you can gain, you just need to search for it and you will get it. So there are courses, or there are technology related courses as well as professional courses, and there are courses which will help you become job ready. Along with, you can also learn entrepreneurship. So you just need to type and it will start suggesting it. What is IoT, Internet of Things? So you can just check. It's a very simple, and if you do not know what to, you can just click on recommendations. So learning badges. So what are the badges that will, that you can earn? You can just click on this and you can know. So there are courses from 10 minutes to 40 hours also, students. So you can see that this is a 2 hours course, an 8-minute course, an 11-minute course. So you are gaining knowledge everywhere. Just understanding what is this technology, how it works, is something that you can definitely try, right? So any doubts, students? Yes, no, maybe? Yes, so Ujwal is asking, ma'am, will these certificate help us in our placement time? Definitely, they will help you with your placement time. Okay. Um, okay, I have shared the answer. I have shared the link, and I will also be sharing it in the WhatsApp group that you all are a part of. Yes. So, students, I'm typing the webinar, the website details here. So you have to just click on this skills.yourlearning.ibm.com, and you need to log in with the email ID that has been provided by your college. So whichever email ID has been provided by your college, you can log in with that. So you need to click on your Gmail accounts and log in with your Gmail ID. So you can log in, and if you have any trouble with logging in your Gmail IDs, you can always contact me. I'm also mentioning my email ID here. So you can write to me. My email ID is swatik@edunetfoundation.org. So if you have any doubts, if you have any queries regarding your skills build portal, then you can definitely write to us. If you have any questions, students, please let me know so that I can answer all of them. Any doubts, students? I have mentioned my email ID in the chat. It is Swati K, SWATHIK at edunetfoundation.org. EDUNETFOUNDATION.org. I have mentioned my email ID in the chat. It is SWATHIK at EDUNETFOUNDATION.org. And I request all the participants to please fill your attendance form. Those who are present here, the 87, only you have to present. Okay, I'm sorry, I think.
Swati ma'am,
Yes, sir.
ma'am, I will share your ID. This ID, na,
Okay.
I already have
Ha.
the ID. Credentials, I will share it in the WhatsApp group itself so that all of you
Okay.
can access.
Yes, sir.
And last time I'm repeating, participants, please fill the feedback form and please don't share. This data will be matched with the current entries here, participants here.
Yes, students, please make sure that only those who have attended are filling the feedback form and the attendance form. Do not share it with your friends. Please do not put online proxies, right? Yes. So before we end today's session, so can we all just turn on our cameras for a group picture? Okay. Yes. Students, I request all of you to please turn on your camera.
Then presently they don't have the access to
Okay,
open the
okay,
camera. Yeah.
okay, no problem, sir. I thought maybe
I
they
will
will
share you
have
the
it.
snapshots. The
Okay,
participant, I will share that snapshot. I have already taken them.
okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so
I
much,
hope no more questions are
students.
there. If any queries there, they will write in the WhatsApp group made for this
Sure,
program.
sir. So
Yeah.
I just
Sure.
want a small feedback from the faculties. How was the session, and what they enjoyed the most about it?
Yeah. Just a second. One second. को करूँ promote. कोई बात नहीं. Ma'am, Naveen sir will be giving the feedback.
Okay, sir.
Hello, Aisha. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
I was sitting.
Hello? Sir, I'm quite not able to hear you. Hello?
Am I audible?
Sir, now you're audible.
Okay. So I will present during the entire duration of this webinar. And Swati Madam has delivered an excellent, the which is very much required to the students to develop their Thank you, students, and thank you, Swati ma'am. Sir.
Thank you, Swati ma'am, for the excellent session.
Thank you
This
so
session
much, sir.
really motivated the students, as I'm seeing the feedback responses also.
I'm very glad, sir. I'm very
I'll
glad
be
I
sharing
could
the
be of
feedback
this help.
responses with you too, ma'am.
Sure, sir. Sure.
That what are their feedback regarding the session and how they interacted in the session. And
Sure,
we are
sir.
looking forward for such sessions more in future, ma'am.
Sure, sir. We'll definitely
Yeah,
have
sure.
such
Thank you, ma'am, for
sessions.
sparing your time. We from MIT once again thank you for giving a valuable time and enhancing the knowledge of our students.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, Ayush sir, for being the point of contact for this session to be happening today. And I thank all the teachers of MIT College, and I want to thank all the students for sparing their time and listening to me.
I'm
Thank you
really
so
happy
much.
to know that some alumnus also connected with us.
Oh, very nice, sir.
Yeah.
I'm very happy.
I will be sharing that data too with you of the
Sure,
interested
sir.
alumni people also.
Sure, definitely, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone. Have a nice
Okay, thank
weekend.
you, participants, for joining the session.